The next odd behavior is yawning even though your blue heeler isn't tired. This behavior serves as a coping mechanism, helping dogs manage their emotions in challenging situations. Additionally, blue heelers may yawn when they are confused, fatigued, feel threatened, or indicating their need for reassurance or rest. Blue heelers sometimes yawn when interacting with other canines as a form of communication, signaling their intentions or emotions to other dogs. So if your blue heeler is yawning, it doesn't mean they're tired. It means they're trying to signal something else. So make sure you pay close attention when they do this.